Hi everybody, my name is Ken Harrington, Executive Director of the Ohio Chapter of ASHI. Recently we had a great presentation by Brick Gabor on deck safety, some of the issues that could happen when decks fail, and in some instances could be a life-saving situation. Well, something we want to make sure that you took from this, as well as finding the defects, was anytime you see a deck that is skirted and you can't see under it, you need to report that as such. You have to say, according to the state standards, and I'll show you a perfect picture of a skirted deck here, something that you want to make sure that you get in your report as unable to identify or evaluate the structural components beneath the deck. According to the standards of practice 13017F, it says that any part of a system that were not operated or inspected must explain why and what it was you could not inspect. So this is a perfect example of something to put in your report. In as such, you were unable to inspect beneath the deck, so you can't report on the structural components of this deck. So thank you very much for listening, and hopefully we'll see you November the 9th in Akron, Ohio for 8 hours of fun-filled education sessions, okay? Thank you so much.